AI copilots transformed software development. GitHub Copilot, launched in 2021, demonstrated AI's capacity to assist with programming. Trained on billions of lines of publicly available code, it could suggest completions, write entire functions, and even implement complex algorithms based on brief descriptions. Professional developers found themselves working alongside AI, not replacing human creativity and judgment, but augmenting it. Tasks that once took hours could be completed in minutes. The bottleneck shifted from typing code to designing systems and solving novel problems. More advanced systems emerged that could understand entire code bases, refactor code, write tests, and explain functionality. Programming became increasingly a conversation between human intent and machine implementation. Writing companions assisted with creative and professional communication. AI systems began helping people write more effectively, drafting emails, generating content ideas, editing prose, adapting tone for different audiences. Tools integrated into word processors, browsers, and email clients offered suggestions in real time. These were not replacement writers, but collaborative tools. A human provided direction, ideas, and judgment, while AI handled generation, iteration, and refinement. The creative process became interactive, a dialogue between human intention and machine capability. Research copilots synthesized information across vast knowledge bases. Academic researchers, journalists, and professionals began using AI to navigate the exponentially growing body of human knowledge. Medical diagnosis systems analyzed patient data alongside recent research. Legal AI reviewed documents and case law. Financial analysts used AI to process market data and identify patterns. In domain after domain, AI became a tool for making sense of complexity that exceeded unaided human capacity. Systems learned to review and improve their own outputs. A significant development was AI's ability to critique its own work. Systems could generate a response, evaluate it for accuracy and quality, identify weaknesses, and produce improved versions. This self-refinement created outputs of higher quality than initial attempts. Prompt chaining, having one AI system generate instructions for another, allowed complex tasks to be broken into subtasks, each handled by a specialized model or a model playing a specific role. The results were often superior to what a single model could produce directly. Multi-agent systems coordinated across complex tasks. Researchers began developing systems where multiple AI agents worked together, each handling different aspects of a problem. One agent might gather information, another analyze it, a third generate solutions, and the fourth evaluate results. These multi-agent frameworks paralleled how human teams operate, with specialization and collaboration producing results beyond individual capability. The systems were still limited, still requiring human oversight, but they demonstrated that AI could be orchestrated into increasingly sophisticated workflows. Open-source communities created accessible AI tools. Beyond commercial products, vibrant communities emerged building AI applications for specific needs, tools for accessibility, educational resources, creative applications, research instruments. The democratization of AI meant that specialized applications could be developed for niche audiences. Smaller organizations and individual developers could fine-tune open models for specific tasks, creating AI solutions tailored to particular domains without requiring the vast resources of major technology companies. Some researchers call this the early scaffolding of something larger. These developments, coding assistants, writing tools, research copilots, multi-agent systems, represent AI handling tasks across multiple domains, not with human-level sophistication in all cases, but with increasing breadth and capability. Some researchers describe this as the scaffolding upon which more general intelligence might eventually be built. Systems that might one day move fluidly across every domain of knowledge, adapting to novel challenges without retraining. That possibility remains theoretical, but the trajectory is visible. To understand where artificial intelligence has arrived and where it might be going, one must understand, at least in broad strokes, how these systems actually work. What happens inside a neural network when it generates text or recognizes an image? The mechanisms are simultaneously simpler and stranger than most imagine.